of the age when the earth you reclaim. You will gather the nations before you, and the eyes of all men will be fixed on the Lamb who was crucified. With wisdom and mercy and justice you reign at your Father's side, and the angels will cry, Hail the Lamb who was slain for the world, ruling power. And the earth will reply, You shall reign as the King of all kings and the Lord of all lords. There's a shield in our hands and a sword at our side. There's a fire in our spirits that cannot be denied. For the Father has told us for these you have died, for the nations that gather before you. And the ears of all men need to hear of the Lamb who was crucified, who descended to death yet was raised up to reign at his Father's side. And the angels will cry, Hail the Lamb who was slain for the world, ruling power. And the earth will reply, You shall reign as the King of all kings and the Lord of all lords. And the angels will cry, and the angels will cry, Hey!